Hi everybody, it's time for another unboxing. So let's get the phone, let's spin the wheel and see what we're going to unbox. What will it be? Looks like camping number 1. So let's grab camping number 1. Two in here, so we're just going to grab the very first one. We're going for it. We do a lot of camping, so these will be put most likely in the camper. So camping number 1. We'll put on our bag, and let's see, does this have anything that we can use? Let's look, so we can describe it a little bit better since I have 2 campings. These last couple, I've had to get, there we go. Maybe I got it, maybe. It's really stuck good. There. Let's see if this has got anything on the picture that we can put on there so we know exactly this is the canvas. Do it. Throw that away. This looks like it has 2 red chairs. So I'm going to put camping number 1, 2 red chairs. And that's, see, camping 1, 2 red chairs. So we know where these diamonds go. So we have our canvas. And we have our bonus tray wax and our pen. So we can put that off to the side and I'll pack it up because I never know when someone might need a set if they're starting out, or maybe they have a broken one and they need, as long as you're in the United States, I can send them to you. It may be a little too high with shipping if you're out of the United States, but I can send to you if you need a pack or you need the trays, because I'd like to recycle them because I already have my own. So let's look at, oh my goodness, look at the colors. So exciting. Oops. We have someone that wanted to fly away. But look at the colors. They are so pretty. Oh, I'm excited for the camping one. I have a feeling my husband might steal it from me, to be honest with you. But I'll have it separate and ready, and if he says, I need a project, I can say, I know where there's one for you. But if you want to see it done, I can always try to sneak a video, even if he's doing it. Sneak a video. Oh! We have happy kitties that are bouncing like bunnies. Okay, zip that up. There are our diamonds for our camping 1 with the 2 red chairs. So we can put that out of the way and work on this canvas. Let's see what this looks like. He picked these out and put them on the list. So this is what it looks like. Happy campers. with 2 chairs and a fire. That's what it looks like it is. So, let's roll this up. Try to help it. But it'll have some hang time in the suit bag. It'll hang on a hanger. I hope everybody is doing well today. I'm doing alright. Just watching the kitties play. They're entertaining. They're only 5 months old and 6 months old, I think now. Oh. Well, hi there, Carl. Hi, Bugaboo. They've all got nicknames. Okay, let's see if this has helped it a little. Well, I'm trying. So anyway, got the tool. Let's try to straight. We can get a sneak peek when I pull the canvas back on. Or pull the, not canvas, pull the paper back, the plastic back. You can kind of see it a little better. Oh, uh-oh, got you. They're playing. Carl got her. Let's smooth this out. This one may not smooth out as nice. I don't know. It's not really wanting to cooperate at all. I try to do each direction, but I'm not too awful worried about it because by the time this is ready for kitting up and getting paper put on, it'll calm down a little. And I'll put this on, I'll put this on the wheel so we can see, we can let the wheel tell us when we're going to do this. I think that's fun. It gives us a little surprise on when it comes. We just gotta be patient, even though I'm kind of like, oh, it's paper. Just be patient. It'll be alright. Okay. This is not straight very well, but we're gonna end it. That looks good. We're going to do it. But it'll go. Let's try one more time. Looks like we have 5 more projects to kit up. Not kit up, but unbox. We have 5 more unboxings out of the magical Amazon box. Not sponsored by Amazon. We don't have a sponsor. There it is. Happy Pumpers. All ready to go. So this will get hung up with the others in the magic suit bag, and the diamonds will go under the bed storage. So that's all for this. This one is kind of small, kind of short. I'm sorry, but have a good day or evening whenever you're watching this. Know that you're always welcome here. You're loved and you're accepted for who you are. Make sure you stay safe and healthy, and always try so hard to be the light in the darkness, because right now we need that little light to shine. Good night. Love you.